going to learn the shell stitch, one of the most unique and impressive stitch. So let's get started. To make the shell stitch, you need chains multiple of 6 plus extra I'm going to skip the next 2 stitch, and into the last chain I'm going to place a single crochet. So here's the end of our row 1. For row 2, make chain 3. Turn your work. Place 2 double crochet into the very same stitch. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, and here's our very first stitch. Into this very first stitch, place 2 double crochet. This is called the half shell. We are not going to make a full shell in the beginning of the row. You have to make a half shell in the beginning of the row and skip 2 stitch, 1 and 2, and into the third stitch place a single crochet. Then skip the next 2 stitches and place 5 double crochet into the next single crochet stitch. Then skip the next 2 stitches and into the next make a single crochet. Repeat the same till the end of your row. I did my single crochet in the last cell. Now I am going to place 3 double crochet into my last stitch. So skip the next 2 stitch and place 3 double crochet into the last stitch. So this is a half cell in the end of our row. For row 3, chain 1. Turn your work. Make 1 single crochet into the very first stitch. Skip the next 2 stitch and into the next, that is a single crochet stitch, place 5 double crochet into that stitch. Skip the next 2 stitch and place a single crochet into the next stitch. Skip the next 2 stitch and place 5 double crochet into the single crochet stitch. Skip the next 2 stitch and place a single crochet into the next. Skip the next 2 stitch and place 5 double crochet into the next single crochet stitch. Skip the next 2 stitch and in the third chain of chain 3 place a single crochet. So this is the next stitch, and into the very top chain or the third chain of chain 3 I'll place a single crochet. So here we completed row 3. The next rows are just a repetition of row 2 and row 3. So if you want more rows, then repeat row 2 and row 3 for as many rows you want. Make sure that your 5 double crochet always falls in the single crochet stitch between the 2 cells of the previous row, and your single crochet stitch always falls in the third chain of 5 double crochet. So in every row your single crochet should be placed in the third chain of 5 double crochet, and your 5 double crochet or the cell stitch should fall in the single crochet stitch between the 2 cells. And in the end you always have to like row 3 should always start with a single crochet, skip 2 and a cell into the next, and in the end also you have to place a single crochet, and in the row 2 it should always be a half cell in the beginning and a half cell in the end of the row. So keep on repeating row 2 and row 3 for as many rows you want. I made 2 more rows and here it looks like this. Isn't it beautiful? So try for any of your project and I'll be very happy to see your project with cell stitch, and because it's one of the most beautiful stitch. And so hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Till then, goodbye.